Hey there, future computer wizards. Welcome. Today, we're heading out on this super cool magical quest to uncover all the secrets hiding inside your computer. We're going to learn some amazing spells that'll help you find stuff, organize all your treasures, and get this, even make files disappear and then reappear. So, are you ready to go? Okay, let's dive right in. Our very first lesson is all about casting your first spell. And trust me, this is one of the handiest tricks any computer wizard can have up their sleeve. Let's get started. First up, we're going to talk about something called a shortcut. And you know what? They're pretty much exactly what they sound like. They're like these little magic portals or secret doorways that take you right where you need to go. Boom, just like that. No more digging around trying to find your favorite game or that special folder. Just think about it for a second. Instead of clicking and clicking and clicking through a bunch of folders every single time, a shortcut sitting right there on your desktop lets you open things with just one magical double click. It is so much faster.
Okay, so you're probably wondering, how do I make one of these awesome magic doorways? Well, guess what? It's actually super easy. I'm going to show you the 3 simple steps to create your own shortcut right now.
Seriously, casting this spell is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Find the program or file you want to make a shortcut for. Step 2. Right-click on it and then point to Send to. And step 3. Click Desktop. That's it. Just remember those 3 things. Find it, right-click it, and send it. And just like that, ta-da! A brand new shortcut pops up right on your desktop, all ready to go. It's almost like you just summoned a magic portal straight to your favorite spot on the computer. Now, this part is really important. You have to understand the difference between deleting the magic door and deleting the room the door leads to. See, if you delete the shortcut, the magic door, your original file is totally safe. But if you delete the original file, poof, it's gone for good. So you gotta be careful with that one. Okay, so now we know how to make these cool doorways to get to our stuff. Let's talk about the treasures themselves. We've got to learn how to organize everything, and we do that using things called files and folders. You know, a really good way to think about this is to imagine folders are like big treasure chests. And what's inside the chests? Well, that's where you keep all your treasure, right? Your pictures, your schoolwork, your games, all that stuff. Those are your files. But, you know, sometimes our treasure chests get a little too stuffed, especially if we want to send them to a friend. And for that, we need a shrinking spell. This awesome shrinking spell has a name. It's called compressing. What it does is it magically squishes your files and folders to make them way smaller. This is perfect for saving space or if you need to send a whole bunch of files in an email. And in the world of Windows, we call these shrunken treasure chests zipped folders. And you're not going to believe this. This spell is just as easy as making a shortcut. You just find the folder you want to shrink, you right-click it, go down to Send to, and this time you're going to choose Compressed Zipped Folder. That is literally it. And abracadabra, check it out. A new folder shows up, and it's got a little zipper right on it. Your whole treasure chest is now zipped up nice and tight in this new, smaller package. It's all ready to be saved or even sent on an adventure across the internet. Oh, and here's a cool little history fact for all you wizards in training. Ever wonder why it's called a zip folder? Well, zip means speed. The person who created this wanted everybody to know just how super-duper fast this shrinking spell was. How cool is that? But wait a minute. A shrunken treasure chest isn't very useful if you can't get the treasure back out, right? So now we need to learn the reverse spell. To get your files back to their regular size, all you have to do is extract them. All right, awesome. So now you've got all this amazing treasure tucked away in your folders. But what's the best way to actually look at it all? Let's check out the different ways you can view your magical library of files. Believe it or not, you actually have magical viewing powers. You can change how all your files look. If you use extra large icons, you can see a little preview of your pictures, which is really cool. Or you could switch over to Details View to see important facts, like the date you made the file or how big it is. Okay, everybody, hold on to your wizard hats for this one, because for our final and maybe most amazing trick, we are going to learn how to make files disappear and then, like magic, make them reappear. I'd like you to meet the recycle bin. The absolute best way to think of this is like a magical lost and found box for your whole computer. When you delete a file, it doesn't just go
poof and disappear forever. No, instead, it goes right in here, just in case you change your mind and need it back.
I mean, we've all done it, right? You click delete, and then a second later you go, oops, I needed that. Well, don't worry. As long as you haven't emptied out that magic lost and found bin, you can totally go on a magical rescue mission. And rescuing your file is another super simple 3-step spell. First, you double-click to open up the recycle bin. Second, you find that precious file you thought was gone forever. And third, you just right-click on it and click Restore. And poof! Just like that, the file is magically restored. It just zips right out of the recycle bin and pops back into the exact same folder it was in before you deleted it. Phew, what a relief, right? Okay, listen up, because this is a very, very important spell to remember. Using Restore brings your files back from the magic bin. But if you choose to empty the recycle bin, all the files inside are gone forever. There is no magic spell in the world that can bring them back from that. So you always have to be extra sure before you empty it. Wow, just take a second and look at all the amazing computer magic you've learned today. You can create magic doorways with shortcuts, you can organize your treasure in folders, you can cast shrinking spells, you can change how you look at everything, and you can even rescue files from the magic bin. You are totally on your way to becoming a true computer wizard. So I guess there's only one question left. Now that you're a computer wizard, what are you going to organize first? Go on, try out your new powers and start creating your own magical computer world. Maybe you'll make a folder just for your homework or a shortcut to your favorite game. The choice is all yours.